Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this today video we are going to see a new concept. It's about microorganisms, friend and foe. So microorganisms is the thing, a type of living organism which we cannot able to view through the naked eye. So in this lesson we are going to see about the concept of how microorganism is helping to the humankind and also to the animal kind also, then how they are acting as a disaster. So in both the cases, in the case of useful to the living kind and in the case of disaster to the living kind, how they are acting in a both the scenario. So by awareing of that, we can able to get across some awareness regarding microorganism, and we can able to aware how we use the microorganism. So in this chapter they are going to tell about the microorganism in two scenario, as a protagonist to the humankind and as an antagonist to the humankind. Before we get enter into this topic, I would like to tell about the microorganisms. So microorganisms is also called as microbes. So these microbes, if you see, they are very tiny in nature. They are very tiny in nature and they also come under the living organism category only. We cannot able to view the microorganisms or microbes through naked eye or unaided eye. Through naked eye or unaided eye. So due to their tiny nature, we cannot able to view the microorganism in a naked eye or through an unaided eye. At the minimum extent, for example, you take fungi. Fungi is also one type of the microorganism or microbes. We can able to see through naked eye, but the ultrastructure of the fungi, if you need to see, means you have to use magnifying lens. You have to use magnifying lens if you want to observe the ultrastructure of the fungi. Rather than that, if you need to observe the fungi little bit in a zooming mode, automatically you cannot able to use this magnifying lens also. So through naked eye we cannot able to see, through unaided eye we cannot able to see, and through magnifying lens also up to some extent, at the minimum extent, and also only one type of microorganism we can able to see. So what is the medium is there to view this microorganism? That is called microscope. So when once the microscope is invented, then only the microorganism world is invented. So before the invention of the microorganism, this microscope instrument has been invented. So the first person who used to observe the microorganism is called Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Anton von Leeuwenhoek. So he is the first person who used to observe the microorganism through the microscope. So microbes are also called as microorganism, is tiny in nature. We can able to see through naked eye, or we cannot be able to see through naked eye, and we cannot able to view through unaided eye. At the minimum stretch we can able to see through the magnifying lens, that also in the case of the fungi. So automatically we used to select the medium to observe the microorganism is nothing but the microscope. And the first person, scientist who observed this microorganism, once the microscope, after the invention of the microscope, through the microscope only this scientist has observed the microorganism, and the scientist name is Anton von Leeuwenhoek.